Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. All right, let's begin. First, open up the Facebook app. I'm on an Android, but the same steps apply if you're using an iPhone. Tap on your profile icon at the top right, then tap your profile picture at the top left to go directly to your profile page. Now, if professional mode is active, you'll typically see things like insights, analytics, or labels like creator or digital content creator on your profile. If you don't see these, it means professional mode isn't enabled yet. To turn it on, tap the three dots next to Edit Profile. From there, scroll down and look for the Turn on Professional Mode option. Tap it, and then press the Turn on button to activate it. However, if you don't see the option to enable professional mode, there are two things you should check. First, see if your profile is locked. In some countries, Facebook offers a lock profile feature, and if your profile is locked, you must unlock it first. This is because professional mode makes your profile more public, which conflicts with the lock setting. Second, try reinstalling the Facebook app. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap on General, then go into iPhone Storage, find Facebook in the list, and select Offload App to remove it without deleting your data. Then reinstall it from the App Store. On Android, simply delete the app, clear the cache, and reinstall it from the Play Store. This helps because professional mode is a relatively new feature, and having the latest version of Facebook ensures it's available. Once you've done all that, open the app again, head to your profile through the menu, and the option to enable professional mode should now be visible. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Facebook professional mode not showing. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.